Morning students, today we will study some more problems based on the topic bilinear transformation. Now the next question based on this is find the invariant points. Find the invariant points of the transformation w equal to minus 2z plus 4 iota divided by iota z plus 1. Prove also that these two points together with any point of z and its image w form a set of 4 points having a constant cross ratio. Now first of all, I have to find the invariant points for this transformation. Now we know that a point z is an invariant point if z equal to f z, that is if z is equal to its image under the given transformation. The invariant points of the transformation w equal to minus 2z plus 4 iota over iota z plus 1 equal to say fz are given by z equal to f of z, that is z equal to w, z equal to minus 2z plus 4 iota over iota z plus 1. On cross multiplying you will get iota z square plus z equal to minus 2z minus 4 iota, that is iota z square plus 3z plus 4 iota equal to 0, or you can write it as iota z square minus 3 iota square z plus 4 iota equal to 0, because iota square it is minus 1 and minus minus will give you positive. Iota z square minus 3z plus 4 iota equal to 0 plus 4 equal to 0. Now completing it, making its factors, you will get iota z square minus 3, it can be written as, you need multiplication as 4 into iota, sorry this iota will also be cancelled out. You need multiplication as 4 and addition as minus 3, or it here 1 iota is cancelled out, here you will get 3 iota. Now you will get z square minus 4 iota z plus iota z plus 4 equal to 0, z common, z minus 4 iota, from here iota common, z minus 4 iota equal to 0, z plus iota, z minus 4 iota equal to 0. Or you can directly apply the discriminant rule over here in this equation 1. or from 1. You compare it with az square plus bz plus c equal to 0. You will get a equal to iota, b equal to 3, c equal to 4 iota. Then z will be equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is a formula, you will have to learn it. Minus 3 plus minus b square. B square, that is 9 plus minus minus 4ac minus 4 iota square, that is plus 4. Minus 4ac, that is minus 4 into 4 iota square, that is 4 into 4 over 2a, that is 2 iota. This is equal to minus 3 plus minus 4 4 16 plus 9 25 over 2 iota equal to minus 3 plus minus 5 over 2 iota. That is z equal to minus 3 minus 5 over 2 iota minus 3 plus 5 over 2 iota. That is minus 8 minus 4 over iota 2 over 2 iota, or this can be 1 over iota is minus iota, 4 iota, 2 cancel, minus iota. Therefore you will be getting the same value, z equal to minus iota and z equal to 4 iota. Therefore invariant points of the given transformation are z equal to 4 iota and minus iota. Now next, you have to show that these 2 points together with any point and its image w form a set of 4 points having constant cross ratio. That means to prove z, w, 4 iota minus iota form a set of 4 points having constant cross ratio. Now cross ratio is given by z, w, 4 iota minus iota. This is traversed in anti-clockwise direction. Now cross ratio equal to z minus w, 4 iota minus minus plus iota, w minus 4 iota, and then minus iota minus z equal to z, no value of w, it is minus 2z, that is here you will get plus sign, 2z plus 4 iota over iota z plus 1. 4 plus iota, 4 iota plus iota will give you 5 iota. W minus 4 iota, this will give you minus 2z plus 4 iota, iota z plus 1, minus 4 iota, from here negative sign common, z plus iota, that is equal to 5 iota. Take LCM, iota z square plus z plus 2z plus 4 iota divided by this negative will give you positive sign. Take LCM, 2z plus 4 iota minus 4z iota square, minus this I have taken outside, plus into z plus iota equal to 5 iota z square plus 3z plus 4 iota divided by this will give you minus 4z, 2z minus 4z will give you minus 2z plus 8 iota z plus iota, that is 5 iota, iota z square, 3z plus 4 iota, take 2 outside, 2 common, minus z plus 4 iota into z plus iota. Now I will multiply these and take iota inside. 5 iota square z square, 3 iota z plus 4 iota square. In the denominator 2 minus z square minus z iota plus 4z iota plus 4 iota square equal to 5 minus z square, 3 iota z minus 4 iota square is minus 1, 2 minus z square, 3 iota z minus 4, these are cancelled out, 5 over 2 which is equal to constant, and we had to show that this cross product is a constant and hence the result. Now next sum, show that, next question, show that the map of, show that the map of real axis of z plane on the w plane by the transformation w equal to 1 over z plus iota is a circle, and find its center and radius. Now first of all we will show that the map of real axis of z plane onto the w plane by this transformation is a circle. Now given transformation is w equal to 1 over z plus iota, that is wz plus w iota equal to 1, that is wz equal to 1 minus iota w, or z is 1 minus iota w over w. Now z is x plus iota y and w is u plus iota v over u plus iota v equal to 1 minus iota u minus iota square v over u plus iota v into u minus iota v into u minus iota v. Here I have rationalized it, or this is equal to 1 plus v, because iota square is minus 1, minus minus plus 1 plus v minus iota u into u minus iota v divided by u square minus iota square v square. Now I will open this bracket, 1 plus v into u minus minus plus iota square uv, now iota terms, plus iota, this into this, minus u square, and this into this, minus v into 1 plus v divided by u square plus v square, or this is equal to 1 plus uv minus uv, u into u plus uv minus uv plus iota minus u square minus v square divided by u square plus v square equal to, here uv is cancelled out, u over u square plus v square plus iota minus 1 into u square plus v square plus v divided by u square plus v square. This is the value of x plus iota y. Now I have to find the map of real axis, and real axis is x axis, and for x axis y is 0. Now real axis in z plane is y equal to 0. Y equal to 0 will imply minus u square plus v square plus v over u square plus v square equal to 0, or this implies u square plus v square plus v equal to 0, and this is the equation of circle, which is the equation of a circle. Now to find its center and radius, compare 2 with no equation is named as 1. Compare 1 with u square plus v square plus 2gu plus 2fv plus c equal to 0. We will get g equal to 0, f equal to half, and c equal to 0. Therefore, center of the circle is minus g comma minus f, that is 0 comma minus half, and radius, it is under root of g square plus f square minus c, that is 0, plus 1 by 4 minus 0, that is half. Now next, prove that, next question, prove that w equal to z over 1 minus z maps the upper half of the z plane onto the upper half of w plane. What is the image of the circle? What is the image of the circle mod z equal to 1 under this transformation? Now upper half of z plane, it is y greater than 0, and upper half of w plane, it is v greater than 0. Now given transformation is w equal to z over 1 minus z. From here, first of all, I will find the value of z in terms of w. On cross multiplying, you will get w minus wz equal to z, that is w equal to z plus wz, w equal to z common 1 plus w, or this implies z is w over 1 plus w. Now z is x plus iota y, and w is u plus iota v over 1 plus u plus iota v, or it can be written as equal to u plus iota v 1 plus u plus iota v. Now rationalize it. 1 plus u plus iota minus iota v over 1 plus u minus iota v. equal to u into 1 plus iota u into 1 plus u plus u into minus iota v plus iota v into 1 plus u plus iota v into minus iota v over 1 plus u whole square minus iota square v square equal to, I will separate real and imaginary parts, u plus u square, and this iota square is minus 1 minus minus plus v square plus iota common minus uv plus v plus uv over 1 plus u whole square plus v square equal to, separating real and imaginary parts, you will get u square plus v square plus u over 1 plus u whole square plus v square. uv is cancelled out plus iota v over 1 plus u whole square plus v square. Therefore, from here x is equal to u square plus v square plus u over 1 plus u whole square plus v square, and y is v over 1 plus u whole square plus v square. Now upper half of z plane, it is y greater than 0, meaning v upon 1 plus u whole square plus v square is greater than 0. Now denominator is always positive square and further 1 is added to it, whole square term, and this implies that v is greater than 0, and this is the upper half of w plane. Now we have to find the image of the circle mod z equal to 1. Now for the image of the circle mod z equal to 1, now mod z equal to 1 implies that mod of w over 1 plus w is equal to 1, that is mod of w equal to mod of 1 plus w, w is u plus iota v equal to mod of 1 plus u plus iota v, that is mod of u plus iota v is equal to mod of 1 plus u plus iota v. It will be under root of u square plus v square, and this will be under root of 1 plus u whole square plus v square. That is, squaring both sides, you will get u square plus v square equal to 1 plus u square plus 2u plus v square. Now u square cancel, v square cancel, u square cancel. From here you will get 2u plus 1 equal to 0, which is a straight line, Therefore image of the circle mod z equal to 1 in z plane is the straight line 2u plus 1 equal to 0. Now next, one remark, the equation mod of z minus p over z minus q, if it is equal to k, then it represents a straight line if k equal to 1, and it represents a circle if k is greater than 1. If k is equal to 1, then this is the equation of straight line, and if k is greater than 1, then this is the equation of circle. Now next sum is based on this idea. Next sum, find the condition that the transformation W equal to AZ plus B over CZ plus D transforms a unit circle in W plane into a straight line in Z plane. Now here it is given that in W plane it is a unit circle, and I have to show that this unit circle is transformed into a straight line in the Z plane. Now given transformation is W equal to AZ plus B over CZ plus D. Now I am given that the circle is unit circle in W plane. Now unit circle in W plane is mod W equal to 1, or this implies that mod AZ plus B over CZ plus D is 1. Take out A common, Z plus B over A, take C common, Z plus D over C equal to 1, that is mod A over C, Z plus B over A over Z plus D over C equal to 1, that is mod Z plus B over A over Z plus D over C. It is equal to mod C over A. Now I have to find the condition that this transformation transforms a unit circle in W plane into a straight line. Now this will be a straight line if this is equal to 1, and 1 will represent a straight line if mod of C over A is 1, and this is a required condition, or from here you can write as mod C equal to mod A. Therefore if mod A equal to mod C, then the given transformation will transform a unit circle into a unit circle in W plane into a straight line in Z plane.